The three concepts we identified are algorithmic friendships, playboy, and the fluidity of the definition of social networking sites. The first concept, algorithmic friendships, was discussed in the first reading by Butcher 2013. It illustrates that there are a number of actors involved in online friendships, which are the non-human actors and the human actors. The non-human actors would be the software, and the human actors would be the social network users. The concept itself argues that online friendships are controlled by various algorithms that push us to perform various actions to create and maintain our friendships. For example, the friend of a friend algorithm encourages someone to add another person because they have a mutual friend.
Secondly, the concept of playboy in Rangel was highlighted as a type of labor where people who serve online can be considered to be a part of the labor service. For example, when uploading or tagging pictures, a SNS user is providing a service for that social network. Rangel also says that consumers become users and users become producers. Companies profit through this because they don't have to pay users to participate, but provide entertainment instead, which makes them contribute freely.
The third concept, fluidity of the definition of social network sites, was discussed in Allison and Boyd, which looks at the fact that social network sites has constantly been evolving. The first definition of the Web 2.0 by Allison and Boyd are web-based services that allow individuals to 1. Construct a public or semi-public profile within a bounded system, 2. Articulate a list of other users whom they share a connection, and 3. View and traverse a list of connections and those made by others within the system. By 2007, social network sites has been evolving and changed over time through the interpretations of profiles, connection lists, and traversing. For example, profiles, users use it to represent oneself via pictures or links they posted. Representation of oneself can be co-constructed by friends as they are able to post on their friends' social network for the others to see, hence changes the perception. Number 2, connection lists. In social network, finding, adding, and developing relationship with friends are very important to maintain social relations with, for example, your high school friends, colleagues, or acquaintances. Traversing Twitter, if you're interested in birthday for, put a hashtag birthday for, and anything related with birthday for will come out on your social network platform. So hence the new definition of the Web 2.0 is that a social network site is a network communication platform in which participants, number 1, have uniquely identifiable profiles that consist of user-supplied content provided by other users and or system-provided data. Number 2, can publicly articulate connections that can be viewed and traversed by others. And 3, can consume, produce, and or interact with streams of other user-generated content provided by their connections on this site.
After completing the readings and attending the lecture, we came to an interesting conclusion about the interaction of social network users online. It led us to question our relationship on social networking sites. We usually look at social networking sites as means of simplifying our interactions with other people. However, we never really thought about the idea that in a way it's not only social networking sites that work for us. Maybe we work for social networking sites. We can be perceived to be their employees. The fact that algorithms put social network users to work through pushing them to use various algorithmic features in order to achieve its desired interests and are constantly interfering in our online friendships, it led us to perhaps think in a way we can be dopes of social networking sites.